In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop an image in Photopea without cropping the background, and the best part is that this method is completely non-destructive. That means you can hide parts of the image, adjust the crop later, and keep your full canvas exactly the same. This is perfect when you want to isolate a subject, clean up an image, or create a tighter composition without actually cutting away your background. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea tips and editing tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open Photopea and load the image you want to edit. Once your file is open, take a look at the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. This is where your image layer should be listed. Make sure you select the target image layer because the masking effect will only work on the active layer. If you have multiple layers, just click the one you want to crop so it is highlighted. Now that your layer is selected, you need to choose a selection tool from the toolbar. For a basic crop shape, you can use the rectangle select tool, which is great for straight edge crops. If your image has an irregular shape, you can use the lasso tool for freehand selection or the pen tool if you want a cleaner, more precise outline. The important thing is to choose the tool that best matches the area you want to keep. Next, draw your selection around the exact area of the image you want to preserve. If you're using the rectangle tool, click and drag to create a box around your subject or the part of the image you want visible. If you're using the lasso or pen tool, trace carefully around the object so the selection matches the shape as closely as possible. Take your time here because this selection will determine what remains visible on the layer. Once your selection is ready, look at the bottom of the Layers panel. You'll see the Add Raster Mask icon. It looks like a rectangle with a circle inside it. Click that icon to apply the mask to your selected layer. The moment you do that, everything outside your selection disappears from view, but only on that layer. Your background stays untouched, and your canvas size remains exactly the same. This is what makes the method so useful. Instead of permanently deleting anything, you're simply hiding the unwanted parts. That means if you need to bring something back later, you can do that by editing the mask. You can also move the layer, refine the selection, or make changes without starting over. If the mask edge looks too harsh or if you want to improve the result, you can click on the mask thumbnail and adjust it further. You can use brush tools on the mask to hide or reveal specific areas, which gives you a lot more control than a regular crop. This is especially helpful when you need a clean professional look. So to quickly recap, select your image layer, choose a selection tool, draw around the area you want to keep, and then click the Add Raster Mask icon. That gives you a cropped look without changing the background or resizing the canvas. It's one of the easiest and safest ways to crop in Photopea. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.